there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today, we bring you Lesson 33 on asking how long it takes to do something. Kaito and his friend Mike have arrived safely at the Ninja Museum in Mie Prefecture. They decide to give shuriken a try and get in line. A shuriken is a small weapon used by ninja. A typical one looks like a star with steel blades.
Listen to the skit for Lesson 33.
どのくらい待ちますか？15分くらいです。わかりました。
すごい、本物の手裏剣だ。
あの的に投げてください。
えい。ああ、落ちちゃった。
Let's go through the skit line by line.
Mike asks the clerk how long it will take to enter the shuriken section.
どのくらい待ちますか？
How long does it take to get in?
The clerk replies,
15分くらいです。
About 15 minutes.
Mike says,
わかりました。
Okay.
Once their turn comes, Kaito is thrilled to see a shuriken.
すごい、本物の手裏剣だ。
Awesome! A real shuriken ninja star.
The clerk explains to the two of them.
あの的に投げてください。
Please throw it at that target.
Mike throws the shuriken.
えい。
Go!
ああ、落ちちゃった。
Ah, it dropped.
Hitting the target several meters away was harder than Mike expected. His shuriken didn't stick into the target and fell to the ground. Today's key phrase is, how long does it take to get in?
どのくらい待ちますか？
If you remember this pattern, you'll be able to find out how long it will take to do something.
Let's look at the meaning of the phrase. どのくらい is an interrogative meaning how long. 待ちますか is the verb to wait, 待つ, in its ます form, 待ちます, followed by the particle か, which indicates a question. It means, how long is the wait? Or, in this skit, how long does it take to get in? Today's point is asking how long it will take to do something. Use the interrogative どのくらい for the length of time, distance, or amount.
So to ask how long the wait is, you'd use the verb to wait, matsu, and ask, どのくらい待ちますか?
Now, listen and repeat.
待ちますか？どのくらい待ちますか？
How did you do? Now, listen to another conversation about waiting. A man is in a taxi headed to the airport. Heavy traffic has slowed things down. He asks the driver.
すみません。あとどのくらいかかりますか？20分くらいです。
Now let's look at the meaning.
すみません。あとどのくらいかかりますか？
Excuse me, how much longer will it take?
すみません, as we've already learned, is used to get someone's attention. あと means longer. That means how much longer in addition to the time that's already passed. かかります is the verb かかる to take in its ます form. It means the time or money that's needed.
20分くらいです。
About 20 minutes.
20分 is 20 minutes, and くらい means about.
Listen and repeat.
どのくらいかかりますか？あとどのくらいかかりますか？
Got it?
Then let's move to another situation. Imagine you ask someone how to get to the museum by bus and we're told that it's within walking distance. Ask how long you'll have to walk.
To walk is,
歩く
and its mass form is,
歩きます歩きます
go ahead.
どのくらい歩きますかどのくらい歩きますか
How did you do?
It's time for Step Up. Today we'll talk about various ways to express the length of time.
In the skit, the waiting time was 15分くらい, or about 15 minutes, right?
Minute is 分. Attach this after a number. For example, 5 minutes is 5分 and 10 minutes is 10分. Did you notice that when 10, 10 is followed by 分, it's pronounced 分?
Listen and repeat after each one. 5 minutes,
5分
10 minutes,
10分
15 minutes,
15分
20 minutes.
20分
Next, hour. The length of time is 時間. After a number, add 時間 and say, for example, 1 hour, 1時間, or 2 hours, 2時間. Be careful though. Some of the numbers are pronounced differently in this content. 4 hours is 4時間. 7 hours is 7時間. And 9 hours is 9時間.
Okay, listen and repeat. 1 hour,
1時間
2 hours,
2時間
3 hours,
3時間
4 hours,
4時間
7 hours,
7時間
9 hours.
9時間
All right then. Can you say 1 hour and 30 minutes?
1時間30分.
That's right. But instead of saying 30分, 30 minutes, you can also use 半 or half. So another way to say it would be 1時間半.
Okay, listen to the skit once again.
どのくらい待ちますか？15分くらいです。わかりました。
すごい本物の手裏剣だ。
あの的に投げてください。
えい。ああ、落ちちゃった。
Next up, Pop Culture with Mike. Today we'll tell you about hands-on tourism in Japan.
Programs for visitors offer all sorts of activities.
In today's skit, Mike and Kaito threw shuriken ninja stars.
You may want to live like a ninja or a samurai too, or you may prefer wearing a kimono, taking part in a tea ceremony, arranging flowers, or making Japanese sweets. Or you may opt for something really different.
Oh yeah? Like what?
For example, do you know about food samples? Replicas of dishes displayed in restaurant windows?
Oh yes, they're very common here. They're made of plastic and look exactly like real food.
They sure do. You can create some fake food for yourself. Other facilities allow you to experience simulated earthquakes, heavy rain, fires, and tsunami. You'll learn about disaster preparedness.
Sounds interesting and a little scary and actually quite useful.
Well, we hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Tune in again next time.